Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June 27th, 2018, and I wanted to show you one of my Bells of Ireland flowers here. Now, this is one in one of the flower beds. I have had the flowers the flower spikes get larger than this already. The ones growing in the containers, they did come up for me. I can't quite get to those as well as I can this one here. But I wanted to show you here the interesting thing about the Bells of Ireland flowers is, oops, sorry about that, that the white in the center is actually the flower. And the green bell is actually just part of the plant. So the white's the flower and the green is the bell. They're a really interesting flower. They're very unique. They're really neat when you dry them, like if you use them for dried arrangements, or if you use them in fresh arrangements. They're really pretty in those as well. They have a lovely green color to them, and it just adds something really different to like your landscape and your arrangements. Now I am working on trying to get an established area where these drop their seeds, and I have one up here that's starting to do that. Hold on a moment. This area up in here, and then I have some other ones where I'm working on getting them established. I have to pull that weed out of there, where they'll start coming up on their own. And a lot of these actually did that. They came up on their own. They dropped their seeds last year, and they germinated themselves and came up. Now these are a little bit shorter. They should get taller for me. But I just wanted to show you these. They're very unique. So this is a close-up of the flower. And it's just very different. And it's one of my favorite flowers to grow every year. Now you'll want to watch out on these if you choose to handle them, because they do have spikes on them, and they will stick you and they will jag you. So I don't classify it as like a kid-friendly plant or a pet-friendly plant. Sorry about that. So I just want to make you aware of the spikes that they do have on them, and they're pretty jaggy. So if you do handle them, just watch out for those spikes. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.